a simple web page using HTML to give some tips to ensure healthy and proper functioning of the human eye. Set the following properties. Background color should be yellow, paragraph text should be in blue, font size should be large, and font should be Arial. Heading level 2 should be center aligned, in red, and in uppercase. Unordered list in maroon. Medium font size, in Comic Sans MS font. The list item marker should be a disk. Start Notepad and type the HTML code as shown here. Opening angle bracket, exclamation, doc type space HTML, closing angle bracket. Command marks the beginning of an HTML document. The head section of the code is then used to write the title for the web page, that is, Care of Eyes. Next, to select the format of the web page, we define the properties of various elements within the opening and closing style tags. For example, to set the background color of the page, inside the body selector, we mention the background color as yellow. Further, we mention that the heading level 2 is to be center aligned in red and in uppercase. We also define the properties for the paragraph and the unordered list. After setting all the properties, we move to the body tag, where we type the text to be displayed on the web page, such as the heading of the page, that is, Care of Eyes, the items of the unordered list, and so on. After the content of the web page has been written, we close the unordered list tag, then the body tag, and finally the HTML tag. After the code has been written, to save the document, select File and click on Save As. Now, in the Save As dialog box, choose the location where you wish to save the document. Then enter the file name with the extension .htm or .html and click Save. Now to view the file in a web browser, open Internet Explorer. Then select File and click Open. Then click on Browse in the Open dialog box that appears. Now select the file, eyes.html, and click Open. Now, when the Open dialog box reappears, click OK to open the page. The web page appears as shown here. In the end, answer this question. Click on the correct option. You can use an image to mark the list items in an unordered list.